Hello everybody, welcome back to G Mama's World. Today I'm coming to you with another seafood boil. Today I have the mega shrimp, the big ones, big old balls here. I got eggs and corns, and it's in the beloved sauce. No potatoes, no cucumbers, no peppers. Just shrimp, eggs, and corn. Something small, guys. Okay, and I'm gonna be drinking on water. Alrighty, so comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Most importantly, share this video with each and every one you come in contact with. Okay? Alrighty. Amen. Ooh, y'all, one day is cold and one day is hot. It's hot outside. Hot outside. I forgot to bring some over here to put my little stuff on. Okay. Thirsty. This is hot. That's why I had this fork sitting here. It's really, really hot. Okay. Get y'all bite. Because I'm going to wait on my bite. Alrighty. Here y'all bite. Here's your egg. Okay, your egg. Okay. Here's your corn. Ooh, look at all that sauce on that corn, y'all. Let me give y'all one of these big ones that's soaking. That's soaking. All right, there you go. There y'all go. Ooh, look at that. Look. That's a good picture. That was a good picture. All right. Y'all be, get down in that sauce. Get down in that sauce. Y'all know half the time when I make this sauce, it be hot. And I just can't get down off in it. Because when you warm it up, it be hot. I don't have long fingernails where I can just stick my nails in there and pull my food up. And then when I make the butter sauce, I just have this here on the side for like the potatoes or the corn. I don't be having it for the seafood. But anyway, y'all. Y'all get it. Y'all get it. Y'all get it. All right, y'all. Let's bite into something. The eggs and everything is hot. Everything just got to being cooked. Ooh. My mouth watering. Some of the onions. How y'all been doing on this? Well, this is Thursday. When y'all see this video, it'll be Friday. Ooh, it's coming to lose. This sauce is still cooking them. Lord, I need to get them out of here because this sauce is still cooking them. I forget. I put everything in here and just put everything in here and start eating. And I forgot that sauce be still cooking. I cooked my last four. My last four, y'all. Last four of them. I told you it'd be 4 in the pack for $29. Cooked the last of them. Oh, that's good. Oh, they call. I need to set them up there so they can stop cooking. Oh, that sauce is hot. Oh Lord, this gonna be a short video, y'all. Like that, it looked like a lot, but it really ain't a lot. It looked like a lot. Oh, this juice popping everywhere. Next time I want to try to get these here. Well, I think it's $29 because the head be on there. But if you get them without the head, they're a little expensive. So I don't know. I had some shrimps one time I got from Sam. Them things were so big, and I haven't been able to find them no more. Haven't been able to. I think they was a tiger shrimp, and I ain't been able to find them no more. No more. That stuff flying everywhere. Oh Lord, look at that. And it's hot too. Mmm. Yeah, shell. It's so thick. It's just like a lobster. It's real thick. Oh Lord, get it. That whole egg. Fell apart. Oh, fell apart. The whole thing. My mouth hot, y'all. My mouth is hot. Oh, my mouth is on fire. Like fire, shut up in my bone. hot, y'all. This season is long. Oh, the longer it sit, it gets good. But this is the spicy, y'all. Y'all know I've been eating on my sauce for a minute, but I don't do now. I take a little out the bowl and warm it up. I never take it out the ice box. I just get what I'm gonna eat and put the rest back in the ice box and never take it out. That way, I'm not warming up all of it. Warming up all that stuff, and then what do they do once they warm all that stuff up? They be having them big old bowls, and when they have it left, what they do with that? I know they ain't still eating it. I know they don't still eat it. You got stuff falling in it and everything. Corn juice and everything. Y'all see that corn? Oop. I should know how to make the little cartoon thing. When stuff like that happens, you can put that cartoon up there. That corn is juicy. Yeah. It's juicy. Y'all, I can't even talk. It's so good. And what's so bad about this green giant? I just bought this in plain water, and it's so sweet and flavorful. I don't boil it in anything, just plain water. And it don't have nothing to do with the sauce, because when you bite off in there, you taste all that sweetness. You know, green giants, theirs is sweet. It's sweet. And you can taste all that. Boy, this big old thing here like a peeling a lobster. Like peeling a lobster. Yes. Yes, to the gods. That woman on, what's her name on medicine? What is it? Medicine Women's? What's the name of that show? With them doctors. they either a doctor themselves or they married to a doctor. And they won't be on that time about yes. When something is good. I forgot her name. She got a divorce. Getting a divorce. People don't honor their vows anymore. They step out on their spouse. Instead of talking things over, they rather step out. Go tell another woman their problems. Y'all, even though I had a little, it's still filling. I had 3 eggs, 2 corn, and how many eggs I have? 4. Because I cooked the whole box. It's 4 in the box. And these here, I cooked them. I boiled my eggs and my corn. And when that boil water started going rapid, I put these in there for about 5 minutes. Because as soon as they hit that water, they start cooking and they turn red. Because the water's up to temperature. And as soon as they hit that water, they start turning red. So I leave them in there for about like 7 or 8 minutes. Take them out. And you put them on cold water, ice water, and they'll stop cooking. And honey, I still forget and throw them in this hot sauce. And they start back to cooking. And when they start back cooking, they like overcooked. Some of them was tender. The 2 that was at the bottom had cooked or some more, but the 2 was at the top are tender. Look at that, y'all. That's big. That's big. I done got full, y'all. You know when you get full, you start playing with it. Start playing with it when you get full. Oh, Lord. I want to drink some water, but you know when you drink that water, you get full. Get full. I don't think I'm gonna eat this corn, other corn, and that egg, because I'm getting full. But I'm finna eat this $30 meat here. I'm finna eat this $30 meat. Yeah, I'm finna eat this $30 meat. Mm. 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 That was an ASMR. Y'all heard that going? Whoop, whoop. All that water I drank, I could have ate that egg and the potato. But I'm full, y'all. I'm full. Whew. Alrighty, y'all. Comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Hit that notification bell till it grow wings. Hit them letters till they turn gray. Woo. And most importantly, share this video with each and every one you come in contact with. Let them know what I'm doing over here. And come on over here and join us, okay? Because I'm going to feed you. Excuse me, okay? If ain't nobody told you they love you today, always remember, G-Mama loves you and Jesus loves you. Until I see you guys in another video, be safe to one another, be kind to one another, love on one another, guys, okay? Y'all, what I've been looking at these last days, it ain't worth it. It ain't worth it. Okay, so let's love on one another, okay, y'all? Until I see y'all in another video, be safe. Watch out for your surroundings. You want ladies out here going shopping, men's. Y'all watch out for yourself. I was at Walmart today and I don't know how many folks I seen walking with their cell phone, ain't paying nobody attention, just walking and talking. Okay, so be careful, y'all. Till I see y'all in another video. Be safe. Keep praying for the nation. Keep G-Mama in your prayer. And I'll see y'all in another video. Whoopee!